Hello students, in our last lecture we had covered the journal entries. Now we of this, and again we will take an example for this journal entry, and then we will learn how to adjust the amount of tax that we have paid against what we have collected. Adjustment of GST we can say here. So how it is done? We can take an example here, some transactions. If we are in the business and we purchased some goods. The same example, we purchased some goods of 50,000 rupees. We purchased some goods of 50,000 rupees, and the tax rate is 18%. From within the state we bought by giving check we have bought. So what would be the journal entry for that? Bought, we can take the transaction, bought goods worth of rupees 50,000 from Dinesh by paying check for the amount. The goods were of the category of 18% tax. So here within the state it is bought. So here entry is what? Purchases account debit. We are buying. For what amount we are buying? This is for 50,000. Now tax. Because what we are buying, we are paying for this amount, purchases, as well as we are paying the tax also. So tax is what? Two taxes are levied, as I told you earlier. CGST, SGST we can say first, SGST and CGST. CGST, two tax. So this tax, when we are buying the goods, the tax that we are paying, we write it in the category of input, SGST and CGST. So we will put it input. We have to categorize it because we have to adjust this input with output. Okay. So input SGST and input CGST. Okay. So this is 18% total. That is 9,000, or we can say 9% this and 9% this. 9 5 is 45, 4,500 SGST and 4,500 CGST. That purchase account debit 50,000, input SGST 4,500, input CGST 4,500. This is DR. Two. Then this is we are paying by check. Okay, this is 4,900 we have paid. 50,000, sorry. 59,000 we have paid. 59,000. Okay, we are not putting narration here. We could put here that purchases goods worth of purchase goods for rupees 50,000 and CGST and SGST paid at the rate 18%. जो भी हो गया. दूसरा हो गया, चलो लिख देते हैं, for goods purchased and tax paid at the rate 18%. Now we are selling this good. In 60,000 we are selling. We are selling it in 60,000. So when we are selling, we are receiving amount in bank account debit. How much amount we are receiving? So bank account debit to sales. How much we are selling? 60,000 rupees worth of goods we are selling. And on that we have to collect the tax, that is 18%. Same good we are selling. ठीक है. 18%. This is in two category. When we are selling, this is out with the tax which will be collected. Now we will name it output SGST and output SGST, and two output CGST, and that is in two categories. Okay, so 9% each, because 18% total we have to charge. So this comes 5,400 and this is 5,400, and total is 70,800. 70,800 DR. To sales, to output SGST, to output SGST. For goods sold and tax collected at the rate 18% if you want, right? Okay. This is the journal entry for that. Now come to the adjustment part. Now, how much tax we have collected? Output SGST we had collected 5,400, and SGST, CGST. How 5,400 we have collected this, and 5,400 this. This is output CGST. Output SGST and CGST, 5,400, 5,400. And when we bought the goods, input SGST, how much we had paid to buy this stock? 4,500. Out of this, 4,500 we had already paid when we bought the goods. 4,500 we had paid earlier. How much remained? That is to be given to, that is to be paid to the government. Then comes 900 rupees this and 900 rupees this. This is the balance that is to be paid. Anna? So now we will put it in journal entry. Anna? So out of this, see, this 5,400 inputs, this has been adjusted. So adjustment, first of all, we'll put here output SGST was credited, so we will adjust it, we will debit it, output. So entry will be what? Here adjusting entry here. Now it was credited, so we'll debit it here to cancel this thing. Now output SGST, output CGST. Individually also we can do. Individually also we can do, and we can put it like this also. If it is confusing, we can put it like this way. Or if we put it this, then while calculating the amount it will be easier. I will tell you in both the ways here. So output SGST, output CGST. How much we had collected? 5,400 we had already collected. Okay, this was collected. Now, how much we had already paid? To input SGST, to input this CGST. This is C. That is 5,000. Okay, then 4500 was already adjusted, है ना? This was adjusted. This was 4500, 4500. Now how much amount remained now? That is to be deposited into bank as tax. So 5800, out of this 5800, 9000 has been adjusted. How much remained? That remained 1800. 1800 will be to bank. Okay, this is the journal entry for this. Okay, so for adjustment of this input GST, or we can put it individually also. In that case, what would be the output SGST 5400 to input SGST 4500 to bank 900, then it would have 900. Then here again, then output CGST 5400 to input CGST 4500 and to bank 900, and adjustment of CGST then. So these are the journal entries that we have to put while this doing this. Okay, thank you.